Hello, welcome back. Today I want to show you a piece of property that has been in the family for generations, quite a few generations. There's two of these properties. I just want to show you the one. It's a little blast from the past. I went up there about 5 years ago. This was after several decades of nobody doing anything on the property. There's a place we used to go camp at, and it was clear. You could go back in there, and I mean that's when a couple older generations, my dad, my grandfather, used to take us when we was just little and go up there and camp. But it had overgrown since those times. That's been a long time ago. It overgrew, and where you could never tell there was any way back in there. But what I did about 5 years ago, right after I got the Tioga, I went up to the farm and I thought it was an old farm that had burnt down in the 1950s. So in the 60s, it wasn't that. That's when we were camping back then when I was little, and anyway, the property was just woods, So anyway, I decided to reclaim that. I took it upon myself. I went up there over a weekend on a Friday afternoon. So, Friday afternoon, evening, Saturday, a bit Sunday. I cleared this big path back into where the original camp was, big enough to back my old Class C, the old 1988 Fleetwood Tioga back into. And that was a lot of work for one person. The reason I'm bringing this up is there might be, now I know it's overgrown a little bit, 5 years worth, not, 3 decades, 4 decades worth. Okay, so it would take some to get it mowed down to where I had it 5 years ago. But that part shouldn't be so bad. But that was with what one person can accomplish. Two people might go up this time, and it wouldn't take long to reclaim that. But then there's more up there. We might be doing that sometime here soon. If that happens, that'd be fantastic, because there's an area back in there that just, with the right couple of tools and second set of hands, there's an area where you could probably park several RVs. Certainly a pickup or a small camper or the van, or there's room back there. It could be a pretty nice group camp. So that project might be coming up here, but I thought I'd show you. I know a lot of you have not. This is probably the second video. These are clips kind of taken from the second video I ever made, or I ever uploaded to YouTube anyhow. So let's cut to that, okay? And there's Baxter. Good morning, Baxter. Where are you going? Was we gonna go for a walk, but I faked you out? What are you doing this morning? Good morning. I'll show you what we did last night, or when I got here yesterday. I say we, because now Baxter tries to help. I brought my push mower up along, and I'm surprised on how well this cut down. It's dang near like a nice lawn. Well, not a nice lawn, but I mean cut down from this stuff. So yeah, it didn't take too much doing. I mean, that's the kind of stuff we're looking at here. Mower did a good job. So anyway, back to the northeast area. Now, the idea behind this project is to cut a path big enough, you ready, to cut a big square back through the woods, big enough that this will fit. So anyway, we'll see if we can take a little walk back in here. There's tons of little saplings, and I mean, it's gonna be some work. A lot of this dead stuff laying around from some of the pines that had not survived and fallen across. So all this here needs gathered up. Let me step over that. I brought my saw with me. Just need cut up. Some more back in there, but a bunch of little saplings. So Yeah, this is worse than I thought. And thorns. So somewhere back here. That was a lot of work. It was. If the two of us go and tackle this, I'll be sure to record that. I would so love for this to happen. It is getting late summer, you know, it's still pretty hot. We're probably gonna wait for the next couple of weeks to pass, because temperatures, you know, here in Pennsylvania, October, August, September, so it's August, September, you know, the temperatures are going to start backing off here in the next couple of weeks, and that would be a better time to go up and tackle that. So anyway, if that happens, I'll take you along, and I think it'll be a pretty amazing place. So thanks for watching.